naman may tao na kuya ko.
Nagsa mo. Isang tao.
Ha?
Nagsa mo.
Ano? Nasa mo ka?
Ano sa siya?
We now take our seats. Let us take a moment to reflect on the significance of the pitting ceremony.
May boto?
Such as executive assistant.
Without mental preservation or purpose of the nation. I further solemnly apologies for petitioner. So help me God. Please put down your hands. By the power vested in me by the Republic Act 1891 or the PRC Modernization Act,